If you're looking for a wall-mounted rack, you're not concerned about training super heavy. You want to train as safe as possible. Maybe you're trying to recover from an injury. Maybe you have pain in your joints. Then this might be the rack that you're looking for. Today, I'm reviewing the Vimexciter MF03 wall-mounted Smith machine all-in-one rack. Wait, what? Okay, I'm gonna break down exactly what this rack is capable of, and we're gonna find out if this rack is right for you, and is it something that somebody like me that's strong and wants to train hardcore can get a good workout on. All right, let's get started. Every other wall rack that I've installed with a functional trainer like this, I had to assemble. I had to attach this beam to this upright. I had to run the cable system. I had to put in the pulleys. This comes completely assembled. All you have to do is install it on your wall. If your studs are spaced 24 inches apart on your wall, you just mount this centerpiece to one stud, and then you mount this to the next stud that's 24 inches away, and this to the stud that's 24 inches away on the other side. That's it. For me, I had to install stringers. This piece of wood is a stringer right here. I have one on the bottom, one on the top. That ties together 4 studs. And then I just mounted this in the exact center. I lined it up so that this was level here and this was level here. And then this gap here should be the same as the gap at the bottom. And once you have that done, that's all there is to installing it. This was easier than every other wall rack that I've installed just because of the fact that it is fully pre-assembled. Ta-da! The whole rack, both sides, weighs 132 pounds, and it takes up a very small amount of space. When this rack is folded flat against the wall, it takes up 8.3 inches of space. When it is out at a 90-degree angle, it's 27.3 inches deep. It's 50.9 inches wide, and it's 86.6 inches tall. So this rack is a full functional trainer and a Smith machine that is based on a band system. So I got mine with this extra weight in these bands right here. 20, a 25, a 30, and a 10. So I can add 85 pounds on each side. Let's add 40 pounds to start. So for me, I can easily stretch this down and click it on. Let's say that you don't want to have to exert yourself to put the bands on. Then what you would do is put this Smith bar in its lowest setting. And now the band, you barely have to stretch it at all. There's almost no resistance to get it in place. And you only have to exert yourself when you're in proper lifting position. The Smith machine feels good. We are adding another 45 pounds. This is the safety catch. You put that in position. So you got the safety stop at the bottom. But let's say I'm in the middle of a rep, boom. And now I'm hitting here and I'm failing. I can just rotate it where I'm at, come down and hook it. So all you do is rotate this bar and you can rack it at any of these holes along the path of your lift. So safety stop at the bottom, rack 1, rack 2, that's where I'm shooting for.
The bands that come on it are 50 pounds each side. When I add 85 pounds of additional weight to each side, that makes the total 270 pounds. Since it is a 2-to-1 ratio, that means that it's gonna feel like 135 pounds to me when I'm pressing.
I can buy an expansion set of cables with 360 additional pounds. This Smith machine can handle up to 440 pounds of resistance. You know, that's a perfect working weight for me. Like I could get 12 to 20 reps with that weight, and that would be ideal for somebody that's really strong. Okay, gosh. All right, 33 reps. That was a crazy burn. That felt different. No tension on my elbows or any of my joints. The bar has no knurling. It's just a smooth bar. It's got a groove so you can line up your grip. Overhead shoulder press on the Smith machine feels heavier than incline because now the range that I'm working in is up here. Incline was down here and flat bench was, you know, from here to here. The further this band is stretched, the more resistance you're getting. Dude, I can hit full failure with this at like 10 reps, 12 reps. Look at all that space too. There's a lot of space in this rack from left to right, which is nice. When you're training with bands, you're training using what's called VRT, which stands for Variable Resistance Training. And what that means is as the band is stretching, it's getting heavier and heavier. So when the band is at the beginning of the movement, when you're in the most vulnerable state, when you're stretched out and you're putting the most stress on the joint, that's when it's the lightest weight. And as you move through the movement and you get to the point where you're really flexing and you're in the most powerful position, that's when the weight is heavier.
This can really help if you experience pain in your joints when you're training.
With squats, you're starting out with the heaviest weight when you're at the beginning of the movement. When you're fully standing, the bands are stretched, and then it's getting lighter as you get into the most vulnerable spot of the movement. It's like you're getting an assist out of the hole. This is an independent pulley system. The Smith machine is separate than the functional trainer. This one in front is for the Smith machine. The one in back is for the functional trainer. Both of these bands that it comes with are 50 pounds. This is 85 pounds, so if I add both of these bands, that's 170 plus 50 is 220. That is the maximum recommended weight capacity for the functional trainer. I'm 6'3", so for me, I have to lean back at like a 45-degree angle to be able to get a good range of motion.
When I was doing lat pull downs and the low rows, even with the maximum weight on the functional trainer, it just wasn't heavy enough for me. But there are a lot of people that could get a great workout with the weight that you're able to add to these two exercises.
That's like a perfect weight for me. Because the further away you get with the cable, with the handle from the rack, the more intense that weight spikes.
Other than lat pull downs and low rows, the resistance on every exercise on the functional trainer felt perfect. I was able to reach failure in a 10 to 12 rep range, which is exactly what I like.
The 2-to-1 ratio gives you a longer travel distance, which gives you heavier weight. So like right here is one weight. I'm feeling it burn big time. But with this better travel distance, I can step it out further, and that just got twice as heavy. The right side pulls the cables on the right side, and the left side pulls the cable on the left side. So you could have a training partner that's working out on that side with a different weight than you're using on this side. It's also convenient for superset. So as you can see, I have this at the very lowest point, so I can do curls with just the 50 pounds. But over here, I got this at the highest point, so I can do tricep push downs. And I have the added 85 pounds on there. So I'm gonna do my superset, one arm superset, go to failure on curls, rack it, and then come over here and finish with my tricep push downs. Yeah. So the first thing I would get with this rack is a set of accessory handles. So, and you can get them through Vimexciter, but you want to get like a short straight bar so you can do curls with a short straight bar, and either a rope or a V handle so that you can do your tricep push downs with both hands at the same time. Those accessories are cheap to get, and they add a lot of versatility to a rack like this. Combining the functional trainer and the Smith machine means you can do all the stuff you can do with any functional trainer, and you can do your power movements like heavier squats, you can do bench press, you can do incline press, you can do shoulder press. With this machine, you can work every muscle group. This is probably the safest way that you could ever train at home. The bands add to the safety factor. Compared to training with actual free weights, super quiet. Another huge benefit is there's no loading or unloading weights, so you don't need any weight storage. But if you're somebody that's elderly, or you just want to have something that's safe and easy to use in your home, you can add the bands without hardly any work. My mom's 78. She sees me out here training and all this stuff, and she's always worried about me. So I'm gonna make my mom do some reps on this. All right, this is my mom, Susan. I wanted her to try this out. Look over at the camera, say hi. Hi. The whole idea is it uses these bands for resistance instead of weights, like heavy weights. You see this one is a heavy thick band, this is 50 pounds. I put a little one over there, that's only 10 pounds. So drive your wheelchair up in front of that handle. And see, can you go like this? There you go. Can you now go like this out to the side. Yeah. So you can. How does it feel?
It feels heavy.
Okay, do it out at the height, like you're down here, do it up higher where your shoulder's at.
It's cool. Do it, Jim.
I know you could. That's the whole idea of this, is somebody that doesn't want to handle weights, heavy weights. Yeah. You can do something like this. You're able to do it, right?
I am actually. I'm surprised. There.
Okay. Now raise it to the next one up. Okay, so you can move the thing up and down. Okay, and now try to see if you can clip it on down there at the bottom.
Yep.
Okay, so you can add weight. So you think you could do it on your own, even?
I think so. You teach me what weights to use and how to do it, but I think I could.
Give me a thumbs up. What are my final thoughts on the Vimexciter MF03 wall rack Smith machine? This rack is designed for a very specific kind of person. They want something that takes up very little space in their home and is safe to use. By training with bands and having that variable resistance training, it makes it feel better and easier. And if that's what you're looking for, this might be the perfect rack for you. Having a wall rack and a Smith machine and a functional trainer all built off of a band system is a completely unique offering. I would definitely recommend this for that right person. So for me, this would be something neat to have access to add in to my routine. Like squatting on this with just the extra weight that came with it felt so good. I had no knee pain. If you think this might be the perfect rack for you, you can use the link in the description below. That'll take you to the Vimexciter website, and use the discount code CT50. That is my exclusive code. If you use that code, you save $50, and it helps me out and my channel, and I appreciate that. But that's all I got. More cool stuff to come. Keep grinding.